Love to this. The boy love me. If your face not look same man I love you. Boy love me.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Yo, you don't know me there, you know. I give thanks to life. I go to work right now. Big up every 9 to 5 worker. You don't know a thing go. Wanna watch the video and wanna see how females stay nowadays. This lady look like a zombie right now. Her eye them swell up and beaten and battered. And this lady have the audacity fear say, if your man not do you them way there, him not love you. And because or something tight or something this or whatever, make him do her so because of love. Really? You serious? You know what I say? And hey, believe it or not, this is how a lot of females really and truly believe. Them really believe say if them boyfriend no beat them and batter them, him no love her. She have to get the beating there. But the thing is now, them female, they are damaged beyond repair. There's no coming back with these females. These females, yo, any man of these females run. Them female can't fix. No therapist, nobody can help them female. Damage beyond repair. No joke. These females are psychotic. Because if a man have to beat you like that, for you think he loves you, something is clearly wrong with you. Your head want check something wrong with you. And the man wicked enough to beat her. But she wicked on the man to accept the beating. And put on top of it, I say, I love him, love her. Why him do her so? Really, yo? You know I'm not gonna ride and whistle because I have to go to work. But me I tell you, yo, them female, yo, them not even therapists. And at them type of female, yeah, when them do them foolishness like this, and them run gone to church. You know? Gone to church, gone cry and bawl and baptize and pastor waste them good olive oil pan them type of female, yeah.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
Really, yo? That's why anytime come out the road, bad boy. Yo, that's why anytime you see me go to store, me can't find no olive oil. The olive oil them done because the pastor them buy out the olive oil and I waste it pan them type of female, yeah. Nothing can fix these females, yo. These females are damaged beyond repair. Period. And this is not me disrespecting no female. She had disrespect herself first. So if you no respect yourself, how me for respect you? I don't care which female it be. Could have been my mother, could have been my sister, could have been my auntie, could have been my daughter, could have been anybody. Any woman accept this type of abuse and then say, I love why him do that. And because of something tight, why him do that? These females deserve everything with them I get. They not have no sense. None. Nobody can save this female, not even Jesus.
Are you listening?
Ready?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember me tell you, waste the pastor them a waste them olive oil. Pastor, when you use an olive oil go cook food. You serious? When you stop wasting on them type of female, then can't save. Damage beyond repair, because you have to understand, say, if you don't love yourself, nobody can love you. And if you can't save yourself, nobody can save you. God help those who help themselves. And this female are looking at the camera and I tell Uno say, I love me why him do that. And if Uno face no look like fear, Uno man no love Uno.
The boy love me. If your face no look same man no love you. Boy love me.
Jesus God. No, this one crowd. No, man. And a lot of females think this way. Because I hear females say it before. This is not the first time. But it's crazy if you come see it plain as day. The man mash up your face. And you know go station, you know report it because I love him, love you. Why him do that? Crazy, yo. Insanity. Remember me tell you that. But me said we make them video to make other females know say yo these things are unacceptable. Yeah, don't accept these nonsense from these people that talk about I love him, love you, why mash up your face them way. Yo, really? Nah. The man have no respect for you. And you have no respect for yourself. Worse. Yeah man, so females, do not think when a man beat you not love him, love you not. I hate the man hate you know. I want to hate on yourself more. Crazy yo. Crazy. But I have an idea? To each his own. Everybody are big people. But more the 1 and 2 females them were left. The good one them were left. Don't accept these behaviors. These are unacceptable behaviors. Spiritual wickedness, demonic. If you accept them thing. Yeah man, and the pastor them, when you stop try save them type of female, them can't save. Them have to save themselves. And if they can't save themselves, you can't save them. You could have prayed a little more. You could have anointed them with a little more. Can't save them, brother. So I saw it go. You know, I do God work, but God help those who help themselves. If they not help themselves, you can't help them. Period. Yeah man. I love them say do it, so them I work with love. Crazy. But anyway, Big Vice Radio in the building. Dig up on yourself.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.